shaking in. I had bought this crane set up a while back, and I said I was going to utilize it for something that's pretty heavy duty. Sun kind of shines, it's pretty heavy duty. I just got to figure out the way to mount it correctly. I'm gonna have to put some extra support actually under the bottom of it to be able to hold the pressure, you know, from side to side, because this bed really ain't, you know, that thick. So I'm gonna put some support brackets on the bottom of it to support it, but to get it where I can actually lift the unit up. So that's my goal. I got a couple ideas. Like I said, I'm gonna work on that today, figuring out what I need to get, and then the rest of the stuff that I get, I'm gonna have to pick it up from the steel yard tomorrow. But I got an idea. As you see, I already welded a electric winch on the end of it, so that way I can have stronger power, you know, when I get ready to do it. Nobody want to do that manually with your hand. So that's what I'm working on right now. I'm about to figure it out so I can be able to kill two birds with one stone and utilize everything I got, and to be able to remove the welder on my own to set it off when I'm not using it. So I'm trying to figure out a nice little system. So I'm gonna be working on a few ideas today. See what I can line up. Hold on.